Hello, good evening. Sobke Nagaland Times News Channel te welcome kuri ase. Notun thakse kule subscribe aro share kuri diwi. Aji la first update te funny aro serious lobole thakya bra shuru kuribole ase. Delhi te ekjon online site te remote control car order kura tu Parle-G biscuit anishe koina khobor pa ase. Khobor hesab tu notun Delhi te ekjon tu e-commerce site te rechargeable monster truck kit toys remote control order kura tu Parle-G biscuit receive ho jase koina media te viral kura ase. Itu incident nimite victim to complain shuru kuri dishe aro e-commerce kan apology mangi thakise wrong product nimite. Last month Mumbai TP incident happen ho thakise toothpaste Colgate order kura tu luckily tai tu Redmi Note 10 phone ani dishe 13,000 laga. Tu kitaba tu tar han bi busy ho thake hulipi kunpa phone order kurise koile pathur ani thakya khobor pa ase. Itu karni website shop pra fake na hoi hulipi online saman order kura tamte trusted company khan ke kurbole shop ke advice kuri de ase. Next ase Nagaland Chief Minister bra Ajit Tungsang te oxygen generation plan launch kuri dishe. Khobor hesab tu Chief Minister ni phiro aji oxygen generation plan Tungsang te launch kuri dishe itu oxygen generation plan to United States Development Program aro People of Japan for State Government of Nagaland collaborate kuri na install kuri dishe koina khobor pa hesab update kuri dia ase. Next ase Government of Nagaland Constitute Committee for Mainstreaming SSA RMSA 2020-2013 batch khan ke June 14 te meeting held kura nishna rakhibole ase. State Secretary Government of Nagaland Kevin no angami inform kuri dishe community school teachers khan ke rationalization redeployment aro workout modalities golden handshake voluntary retirement scheme te untrained teachers khan ke state p milayena rakhibole ase. Committee to join Secretary School Education, Chairman, Education Member Secretary, Director School Education, Assistant Director School Education, Accounting Officer School Education, aro alak members khan report Government of Nagaland ke July 17 te submit kuribole State Secretary add kuri dishe. Next ase India Meteorological Department report hesab tu heavy rain Nagaland State milayena east te ahibole khobor pa ase. Khobor te India Meteorological Department aro forecast report hesab tu isolated is UP, Gujarat, Bihar, Uttarakhand, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Sikkim, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura state te heavy rain experience kuribole jona ase. Thunderstorm lightning wind speed to 30 to 40 km per hour te ahibole khobor pa hesab update kuri dia ase. Next ase Mizoram BJP to Chief Minister ke letter address kuri dishe boundary dispute neighboring Assam aro Tripura state khan ke pending issue nimite. Union Home Minister Amit Shah to North State khan ke at least tuita occasion te interstate border dispute bilateral dialogue hesab te resolve kuribole koi dishe. Khobor te Mizoram to 164.6 interstate boundary Assam ke aro 66 km bra Tripura khan ke unresolved ita tak fesla kuribole napargena thake ase. Report 1995 pra fesla kuribole kotha kura ase hulepi dispute to fesla kuribole napargena last border standoff to June 5 te thakya khobor te kwa ase. Next ase Delhi Union Bank of India branch te chor manu khan bra wal pangi na 55 lakh nishna loi jaise koina khobor pa ase. Itu incident to Sunday te happen ho jaise official police khan inform kura hesab tu chor party khan to adjacent wall construction site bra drill bra pangi na gusi jaise aro wall chamber te rakhian thakya poisa tu 55 lakh nishna loi ja dishe. Reported case to registered kurina investigation rakha ase. Police khobor te robbery khan to well prepared equipment loina aha khobor te kwa ase. Next ase Union Health Minister report hesab tu India COVID-19 within 24 hours te 42,640 notun cases 81,839 recover aro 1,167 dead record ho jase. Ita India te total confirmed cases to 2,99,77,861 recover bra 2,89,26,038 active case bra 6,62,521 aro murja to ile 3,89,302 ho ja khobor te update kuri dia ase. Aji lalas update ase India to single day highest vaccination record ho jase 84 lakh logina. Report center bra announce kuri dia nishna free vaccination ja kali 10 PM tak report te India to 84,07,420 COVID-19 vaccination administered kuri loise. Prime Minister Modi Twitter te dangor khushi jonai dishe aro itu vaccination hi strong weapon ase koi dishe COVID-19 pandemic ke rukhabole nimite. April record te 48 lakh dose thagise hulepi mande record te 84 lakh bra hatai dishe koina khobor te koi dishe. আৰু আজিলা আপডেট ইয়াতে পৰা খতম কৰা আছে সব মানুহ টেক কেয়াৰ ষ্টে সেফ